Hello friends, today we are going to talk about very important homeopathic remedy. It is used widely in the cases of respiratory system. If you see Murphy's repertory, it is written under the rubric of emphysema in color red. The name of the remedy is Antimonium Arsenicosum. It is very useful homeopathic remedy in the cases of respiratory system. There are cases of pericarditis, emphysema, COPD, bronchitis, pleurisy, pneumonia. All these cases can be covered under the name of Antimonium Arsenicosum. Friends, the main symptoms of the remedy are dyspnea, shortness of breath, with lots of cough and lots of mucus, the yellowish mucus, which is the dyspnea is aggravated by eating and lying down, and there will be a swelling on the face or eyes, and if it is related to the heart, then there will be swelling on the legs and feet of the patient. As it is a respiratory system medicine, so there will be symptoms of the low oxygen, the low saturation level of oxygen in the body, so that nail beds and the lips of the patient will become blue, and as there is a pericarditis, so there will be a chest pain, and the chest pain along with the dyspnea, shortness of breath, and the low-grade fever and palpitation, and a general whole sense of weakness and fatigue is present there. And also there is a pleurisy which we find in Antimonium Arsenicosum, and so the symptoms will be one-sided chest pain with the shortness of breath and cough, and there will be the symptoms of the pain in the chest, in the back, and in the shoulder. So if you see a patient of lung or a left-sided lung, by the way, I have read that in homeopathic history, in the cases that under Antimonium Arsenicosum, the right lung can also be affected. So you cannot say that it is only the left lung remedy. There can be symptoms of right lung. So and also the sciatica pain is very important indicator. If it is in the present or in the history of the patient, there is being that sciatic pain, then it is definitely the Antimonium Arsenicosum. You see the sciatica along with the swelling of the face or eyes, with dyspnea, shortness of breath, and left lung affected. All the symptoms indicates to the Antimonium Arsenicosum. You can use this remedy in the 3x form, and it is very important and very useful homeopathy remedy. Use it if you see the symptoms in the patient. Please do not use the homeopathic combinations, as these combinations can be very harmful and very dangerous. Use the homeopathic remedy if there are symptoms of the remedy in the patient. So friends, this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.